दैट इज़ 1 कप कॉफ़ी। उसके बाद जा रहा हूँ स्ट्रेट जिम। या आज से जिम सुबह है। या टाइम फॉर माई फर्स्ट मील। This is the meal number 1. 1 cup coffee with a scoop sugar. Bhai, some say this is a bloody crazy breakfast which I'm having right now. That coffee really hit the spot. Till the last drop, it was too amazing to have that kind of coffee. Hi, so अभी आ चुका हूँ जिम से. So my workouts for today were cardio. I had a cardio exercises and with shoulders, with abdomen. Next level crushing हुआ आज तो. बहुत कुछ कर रहा है ट्रेनर ने. And there is a small change in the diet. डाइट में कुछ चेंजेस आ चुके हैं. That is, I used to take approximately 3 to 4 liters of water daily, but the water consumption has gone up to approximately, समझो कि water का consumption अब approximately double हो चुका है. Now I have to consume at least 5 to 6 liters. मतलब हर एक घंटे को आधा लीटर तक पानी पीना है. That is a goal. That's it for now. I used to have my carbs meal in the night, but from today onwards, I'm going to have it in my brunch. That is exactly right after this. And पता नहीं ये क्या है carbs का meal, मतलब राइस चावल वगैरह वगैरह होगा. पता नहीं घर में क्या है, देखना पड़ेगा. And that's it. Let's see after the lunch. थोड़ा फ्रेश अप होके देखेंगे क्या होगा लंच में. And that's it guys. Meet you at my brunch. Time for my supplements. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हो एक कैल्शियम with 1 multivitamin. That's it. Due to I'm having calcium deficiency, so मेरे को लेना पड़ रहा है, वरना it is completely optional. That's it. So अब ब्रंच में ले रहा हूँ. You can see the pic here. My complete carbs meal. अब ले रहा हूँ राइस, दाल विद जिंजर पिकल ऑन साइड. बस इतना ही नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा ही है. Yeah. So again I'm gonna have this kind of meal tomorrow morning again in my brunch. My expressions may say that meal is not good, लेकिन let me tell you one thing. वो meal तो बहुत अच्छा था. The carbs and the dal, the white rice and the ginger pickle, really that was a very satisfying meal of complete day. पूरा दिन का भूख एक ही मील में जा चुका था. That was really satisfying. So by here I have completed my brunch. तो यहाँ पर मैं ले रहा था 1 कप चाय. जस्ट ए नेचुरल ट्रेडिशनल चाय, और कुछ भी फैंसी स्टफ कुछ भी नहीं है. ब्लैक टी नहीं है, ब्लैक चाय कुछ भी नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट ए मिल्क चाय. दैट्स इट. इट इज़ रियली गुड. ये मील में आप देखेंगे तो आई एम हैविंग अ लार्ज बाउल ऑफ स्प्राउट्स एंड विद अ स्मॉल कप ऑफ बॉइल्ड पीनट्स. दैट्स इट. So you can consider this meal as a punishment, because ये meal में ना कुछ भी नहीं था. You will have nothing in it. It's just boiled sprouts with boiled peanuts. उसमें salt नहीं है, pepper नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. Just we have to eat. That's it. We should not expect any kind of flavors or any kind of things. ऐसे ही खाना है. When you want something really bad, you have to do it. करना ही पड़ेगा no matter what. And you can see clearly that I have completed my meal. So basically you can see this clearly. I'm having my dinner right now. इसमें included है one apple, one guava and one large bowl of watermelon. It is completely full of fruits. कुछ भी नहीं है उसमें, बस ऐसा ही खाना है. और इसमें है गोवा में आई एम जस्ट एडिंग सम पेरी पेरी मसाला बिकॉज सुबह से कुछ भी स्पाइसेस नहीं लगा था, इसीलिए आई जस्ट एडेड द पेरी पेरी मिक्स टू दैट. इट वाज टू डिलीशियस. यू हैव टू ट्राई इट. So right now I am eating watermelon here. Man, that is really irritating because of these sweets. Really irritating. इतना खा रहा हूँ उतना थूक रहा हूँ. बाप रे. अब हमारी माँ यहाँ पर आ रही थी मुझे पप्पी देने बिकॉज ऑफ माई वेट लॉस जर्नी. Straight I am regarding this, and she was really impressed because of this kind of transformation which I have just taken to my mind. But let me tell you one thing, end of watermelon में तो it was almost full. पता नहीं था क्यों. Watermelon is completely water, लेकिन पूरा भर दिया था पेट को. और एप्पल और गोवा खाने के लिए स्पेस भी नहीं था. But yet I have eaten it. It was really difficult. Final meal of the day was really full, satisfying. बहुत अच्छा था, fantastic. So right now यहाँ पर I was about to tear that piri piri masala mix for my Goa. लेकिन let me tell you one thing, that piri piri masala mix with that hard Goa, it was really good, really good. मतलब you don't need, it was like you don't need to torture your taste buds for weight loss or for the health. So you just need to go, you just this was the last bite of the meal भाई, लेकिन सच में it was really satisfying और बहुत फुल हो चुका था because of this food. So आज का पूरा दिन का कैलोरीज है approximately 1300 to 1400, which is still low. Okay, नहीं low ही है, which is still low. Progress is going on really good. This is the weight loss journey day 13. Let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. सुबह भी उठना है, जाना है जिम को. It's a process, right? So meet you tomorrow.